Hi, welcome to Unacademy. Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy. I'm Arun Kumar Selvam. You're going to learn and discuss about 29th EAMCET question paper and the solutions. So we are going to learn that today. We are going to discuss on the question paper. So before that, if you are preparing for 2021, I would suggest you to please subscribe the best plan that Unacademy is offering you with the minimum price, with the greatest benefits. The minimum price that you're going to give for 1 year plan is 12,375, just 12,375 per month. It costs just 1,000 rupees, 1,031 rupees only. Good evening, Akshaya. So Good evening, Akshaya. Okay, I'm just waiting for your reply. If you have any doubts, if you want to clarify anything, definitely you can join and get your concepts clear. Okay, so if you're planning for half a year plan, if you're planning for half a year, you have to pay 10,125. This is actually a discounted price. So if you want to use these concepts, get your all your preparation strategies with Unacademy, you have to pay more than this. If you want to get these benefits, you have to use this promo code ARUNSLIVE. When you type this code, you will get the discounted price, that is 12,375 for 1 year. 6 months it is 10,125. If you want to give a try, then definitely you can choose 1 month plan, that is 2,250 rupees. So not only this, so if you subscribe, what are the benefits that you will be getting? Good morning, Akshaya. Okay, let me check whether anybody else is looking for the class or not. Let me check. Okay. So just any other reply, anything that you wanted to get it clarified, let me check. If you have any doubts, am I audible, Akshaya? Is it clear? Am I audible to you? Is my voice is clear? Can you see the screen properly? Yes, screen is visible. I'm not sure whether I am audible or not. Okay, so now when you subscribe that 1 year plan or 6 months plan or 1 month plan, what are the benefits that you're going to get? You're going to get the best content. You're going to get the best content, comprehensive key points, important notes. You will be getting all the premium contents with the affordable price. Not only the content, you will be given a structural live class, dedicated live doubt clearing session, quizzes at regular interval for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation. So these are the benefits that you get when you are subscribing for 1 year. Okay, test series deep, full length mock test with analysis. All this you will be given as unlimited access if you subscribe with Plus course. Okay, so what are the benefits? See, you will be given a dedicated educator, especially on Telugu. They will be teaching you, clarifying your own language, Telugu, Hindi, English. All 3 language educators are associated with Unacademy. So you need not to worry about your language or understanding. They will give you a personal care to get your concepts clear. So don't wait for your subscription. If you really wanted to crack your EAMCET in Telangana or Andhra, enroll yourself now itself. So hi. So guys, I want you all to just give your chat message. If you have any doubts, you can just clarify. Okay. Let me check. I'm not able to see anybody's message. Anybody saying any message? Okay. Akshaya, can you give me a chat so that I can see your reply? Okay, now, today, we are going to discuss 29th morning shift batch, third part. So questions, I have discussed a few questions in the previous last two YouTube session. So today we are going to discuss more on those questions. So you are learning with me, Arun Kumar, and we will be discussing the remaining questions. Yesterday we have left out with this question. So today we are going to learn the concept of the next questions. How a cell wall with silica symmetry. This is the last question that we have discussed. So how will you select your questions and how will you answer? See, when you are answering, I have taught you all the concepts along with the explanation, concepts with MCQs model questions. So what you need to do, you have to be very sure about the points, and yesterday we have discussed these points. Today, now this also I have discussed about this diagrammatic explanation, that is what is the order, put yourself into an order. So the order is first one is Clarizia, second one is root cap, third one, I'll take the pen, that is my pen. Okay. I have left my pen somewhere. It's here. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry, I missed my pen somewhere. I got my pen. Okay, now. So as I told you, so what is the order? First one is Clarizia. This is Clarizia. First one is Clarizia. Second one is root cap. Third one is radical. Radical is not mentioned here actually. Third one is radical. Fourth one D, that is epiblast. Fourth one is epiblast. Okay. Then fifth one, that is C, that is root effects. Seventh one, we have F, that is cleoptile. Sixth one is cleoptile. Eighth one F. And last one is scutellum. Seventh one is scutellum. Okay, so this is the order. Scutellum is the last one. You can see the scutellum is the last one, seventh option. So you need to know the order. So this order: epiblast, scutellum node, secondary leaf, first leaf, cleoptile. All these are the parts of grass embryo. All these are the parts of grass embryo. So now, what is the next question? The International Center for Identification of Plant, and plant is Royal Botanic Garden. This is a place where we call it as International Center for Identification of Plant. Okay, now next question. So where this is situated? Where this botanical garden is situated? Yes, any idea? Where this botanical garden is situated? In the next class, connect and tell me. So now, Leeuwenhoek, Louis Pasteur, Koch, Ehrenberg. These people are, everyone knows that these people are scientists. These people are scientists. So what Leeuwenhoek has done, what Louis Pasteur has done, what Koch. So first, when you are connecting with the option, what you need to do, you have to, guys, are you typing any message? or top chat, live chat, or live chats. Akshaya, can you give me a chat message? I'm not able to see anybody's chat. Are you there with me? Kindly give a chat. I'm not able to see anybody's chat, guys. Okay, so I think they are not able to check the live chat. Hi Padma Gowda, yes, I'm here. So I'm not able to see any of your messages. Now only I got to see that. Hi Padma Gowda, just leave your message if you wanted to ask any questions or doubts. You can ask me here. So even this question is of memory-based question. So you need to know this scientist's name. Then only you can easily. Yes. Okay. So you can hear my voice clearly, na? No problem, na Padma. Okay, just keep messaging so that I can see whether you people are listening to the class or not. So keep yourself updated. So Leeuwenhoek, what Leeuwenhoek has done? He gave a description of bacteria. He gave a description of bacteria, first option A. And wow, what Louis Pasteur did? Louis Pasteur has given a chemical factories. He gave a chemical factories of a cell. And he gave bacteria which is helpful for chemical factories. So he gave this one. And what this Koch has done? Koch linked infectious disease. He created a linkage between infectious disease. Okay, Koch has given an infectious disease. And this is B. And what is the last one? Ehrenberg. Ehrenberg means what? Ehrenberg means what? He is a person who what he described about, and he coined the name of bacteria. He coined the term bacteria. So Ehrenberg has given the term bacteria. That's all. These are the memory based. So as I asked you, Royal Botanical Garden is situated in Sydney, Australia. Okay. Now next question. So now arrange the auxin and gibberellin, cytosine and ethylene. So only when you know what is auxin, gibberellin, cytosine and ethylene, then only you can put these into order. Production of first you have to read. First you have to read what is productions of new leaves and chloroplast, xylem differentiation, internodal elongation in rich plant, delay in senescence, delay in senescence. So how will you organize them? So first option, xylem is differentiated. Xylem differentiation is followed by delay in senescence, and delay in senescence is followed by production of new leaves and chloroplast. Productions of new leaves and chloroplast, and then it is connected with internodal elongations in rice plant. Internodal elongation in rice plant. So these many activities are connected by auxin, gibberellin and cytosine, ethylene. So we have to mention this is a characteristics of auxin. Okay. Second one, delay in sequence is a characteristics of gibberellin. Okay. That is C, D option. D option is a delay in sequence of this. Gibberellin delays the sequences. Okay, got it. I'll tell you the answer and I'll explain you about what is the concept. Okay, what do you mean by what are the important key points that you should remember about auxin, gibberellin and cytosine. Got it. So now what is cytosine? Cytokinin. Cytokinin means it helps in the production of leaves and chloroplast. It helps in the production of leaves and chloroplast. Okay, this one. This is A1, leaves and chloroplast. Okay, now I am going to give you explanation about what is the exact main reason, what is the main meaning of auxin, what does auxin does. What is auxin does? Auxins are the main hormone responsible for the elongations of prototropism and gravitropism. Prototropism and gravitropism. Okay, so now what you need to do, you have to understand, you have to remember the prototropism concept and your gravitropism concept. Okay, now next. Next point, they also control the differentiations of meristem into vascular tissue, promote leaf development and arrangements, Many synthetic auxins are used in herbicide. So where these auxins are used? Auxins are used as herbicide, indole acetic acid, that is IAA, that is indole acetic acid, and only in natural occurring auxin shows physiological activity. So that only shows some physiological activity. Apical dominance. See, apical dominance is triggered by auxin produced in the apical meristem. Okay, cytokinin. Cytokinin means the effect of cytokinin was first reported when it was found that adding the liquid endosperm. So cytokinin it adds the liquid endosperm of coconut tree, and then develops the plant embryo in culture, stimulates their growth. So stimulating growth factor was found in cytokinin and a hormone that promotes cytokinin. Almost 200 natural occurring synthetic cytokinins are known to date. Cytokinin are most abundant in growing tissue such as root, embryo and fruit, where cell division is occurring. Okay, gibberellin. What do you mean by gibberellin? So gibberellin is also a chemical substance that again we call them as hormone. Group of 125 closely related plant hormones. It is one of a plant hormone that stimulates shoot elongation. It helps in shoot elongation. Okay, gibberellin helps in shoot elongation and the seed germinations, fruits and flowers maturations. So GA are synthesized in root, stem, apical meristem, young leaves, seeds, embryo. In urban area, GA antagonistic, that is gibberellin antagonistics are sometimes applied to tree under power line to control growth and reduce the frequency of burning. So gibberellin breaks the dormancy. It helps in breaking the dormancy. Okay, and state of inhibit growth and development in the seed of plant that required exposure to cold light to germinate. And ascorbic acid's strong antagonistic, that is GA action. So it helps in strong as antagonistic action. So now next question. So now you have to choose which statement is right. Again, for this you need to have a clear conceptual. You need to have a conceptual points, that is usually 1 in few 100,000 crosses shows the desirable combination. The classical plant breeding involves artificial selections, genetics and molecular biology. Okay, classical plant breeding involves in artificial selection, genetics and molecular biology. Second, evaluation of breeding line to done in several locations and season. So what is this? Evaluations of breeding line to done in several locations on season. So Jaya and Ratna rice variety are developed in Philippines. So which statements are right? This is the question. So you need to be very specific the right answer, as I have discussed about the answer, that is only A and C are right, remaining to this one and this one are wrong. Why so? So this Jaya and Ratna, you can just guess with the name. You can just guess with the name. This name, it is an Indian name. It is an Indian name. It is developed in Green Revolution. Developed in Green Revolution. Okay, and the classical plant breeding involves in artificial elongation is wrong actually. So it involves in classical plant breeding involves in not only artificial. It is genetically, it is a molecular biology. It is not an artificial. It goes under molecular one. So molecular biology. Got it? So the C option is wrong. Now, what is Generia planetarium, Species planetarium, Historia planetarium, and family of flowering plants? So, what do you mean by this? So, Theophrastus, Bentham, Hooker, Assassination, Laurentius, Angler Credit, these people are scientists. So, you have to connect these scientists with this kingdom. Okay. Now let us arrange them into answer accordingly. So Generia planetarium are given by Bentham Hooker. The special species planetarium are given by Angler Prantile. Historia is given by Theophrastus. Families of flowering plants are given by Hutchison. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Are you live with me, guys? Just keep asking any questions, guys, if you have any doubts. Okay, now I am going to give you an explanation. What do you mean by Generia planetarium? Planetarium is actually a description of 202 families. It is a description of 202 families. In it, basically, the descriptions of seed plant is present. So, merit of Bentham Hooker classification. Actually, we call them as Bentham and Hooker classification. Generia. Got it? Bentham and Hooker's classification we call them as. So the description here you need to remember is 2021. Okay. Eichler classified the plant kingdom into 5 divisions and arranged them in order of evolution. So they have arranged in order to evolution. Okay. Phylogens. So Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. So these are the flow of Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Gymnosperm, Angiosperm are the flow. Okay, Angler just gave this kind of flow, this order. Okay, during the year 1849 to 1893. Okay, in the book Die Naturalischen Pflanzen Family. Okay, so he has given this as a book name. Okay, now let us make it more clear with you people. To make the concepts more clear, what you need to do, you have to be very specific in the concept. We will discuss the remaining questions in the next session. So we will be covering up the remaining part later. So now what I am going to give you, to get all these concepts, you have to subscribe with the code called Arun is live. Arun is live. If you are typing in with this promo code Arun is live, you will get the discounted price of 12,375 and 10,125 for half a year. So benefits that you are going to get, you can get your concepts clear with me, Arun Kumar. I am going to give you full biology support, concepts and MCQs. I will be concentrating each and everyone with close attention. So don't wait for anything. If you really wanted to crack your exam, just come and make your preparations start with me. So start your preparations with me and make sure you achieve what you really wanted to do. Okay, so the benefits, as I told you, the benefits that you really going to get is you will get all the premium content. You'll get all the premium content, with an affordable price actually, okay, and you can easily crack your exam with. So let us start our preparation at the earliest, and I'll catch you in the next live sessions on 15th. Okay, thank you guys, take care.